water supply pipe, L298 motor module which controls the movement of the motor. Greetings, I am Arnim Agrawal and alongside me is my partner Sarthak Pant. Together, we represent a dedicated team from Birla Vidya Mandir, Nainital, and we are excited to unveil a project that addresses a pressing firefighting challenge.
Imagine a scenario when a fire breaks out in a confined space. No space for conventional fire trucks. What should we do at that moment? We need a strategic solution, and that is what we have created.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing you the firefighting robot for narrow pathways, a robot which combines of innovation and technology to tackle complex firefighting scenarios head on.
In the heart of a robot lies carefully chosen components which are a Johnson gear motor, heavy wheels, and a 360-degree wheel so that a robot can move precisely. We have ingeniously made a wood chariot so that our components are accommodated on it.
Beyond mobility, a robot consists of a water pump, a water supply pipe, L298 motor module which controls the movement of the motors, a specialized metallic nozzle which sprays the water on the fire, a servo motor which controls the movement of the nozzle, a ESP32 cam module which we are using as a microcontroller, and as well as a camera which gives us real-time image of the fire, and some lithium ion rechargeable batteries.
But it was not all about the hardware. Software also played a crucial role in it. Arduino IDE helped us to facilitate the robot's movements and actions. Tinkercad also helped us to design a robot.
A project unfolded methodically. We started with design and construction. Then we progressed to circuit integration, the mobile device control setup, the fire extinguisher system, and at the last, coding, which brings a robot to life.
The speciality about this robot is that this is economic and it can move through narrow paths and save people from accidental fires.
We are thankful to our teachers for helping us in the problems which we faced during making of this project. We faced many problems like when we were 3D printing our parts. We faced problems and we are thankful to management of Birla Vidya Mandir for providing us with this wonderful lab and giving us exposure to cutting edge technologies.
So at the end, I would like to thank all the judges and fellow participants to be a part of our journey. Thank you.